Blacked Out 4x4, welcome back to another one. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I want to talk to you guys about the practicality of the Ford F-150. Is it practical for your family other than just work? Today I'm going to show you how I have my toddler seats installed at the back, how my kids get in and out of the truck, and how much space there is after putting car seats at the back. So I think this will be fun. This will be something useful. Let's get to it. Just to show you the space back here, it is very spacious. There's a lot of legroom and the seat is really wide. So I'm gonna show you the first car seat that we have. This is a toddler car seat. The way this actually goes is the seatbelt wraps around this hook right over here. It wraps around your child or your infant, and that will secure the seat into place. So I'm gonna put the seat in. Okay, and that is it. One seat in. Okay, so we're at the other side of the truck now, and I'm gonna put in the other car seat. Now, this one surprisingly is green. That causes some interesting reactions with the kids because at times they fight over which color they want, which seat they want to sit in. That's life. Now that both the car seats are in, you can see the amount of space there is. There's a lot of legroom, and there's enough space in the middle to put another car seat, your father-in-law, your mother-in-law, lots of space. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my 4-year-olds getting into the truck, how easy it is, and then maybe they'll share something with you guys about what they think about it. So let's do that. All right, guys, and that is it. That is what I wanted to show you guys today, the practicality of this Ford F-150 for family use. You don't need to get a minivan, all right? You don't need to get like an SUV. You are good in a Ford F-150. There's ample room and everyone's happy. So if you guys like what you saw today, give me a thumbs up and have a little subscribe icon that will pop up at the corner of the screen there. You know where the real button is. Please smash it, tap it, click on it, whatever you can to show your support. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.